guys, Katie here. Today's March 8th, 2018. I'm going to start a new vlog here. It's Thursday, so I'm going to head to work pretty soon here. This is Levi's roommate, Stuart's cat, and he is 17. You are an old one, buddy, aren't you? He loves attention, just like my cat. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get ready to go to work now. Here we are again at Noodles Company. Christy's here. We haven't gotten our food yet, though.
Yeah, we're sitting at like a back table. It's a little sketchy. It's a lot quieter.
It's kind of, but it's like way quieter than. Yeah. Although there's more people actually, so it's not as quiet.
No, like it was quieter last time.
Yeah, definitely quieter last time. Alright, so I just got back home. It is Thursday evening and I received my Curology. I don't think I mentioned that I ordered this yet. I don't know. Did I? I ordered it last weekend, so it's only been, I think I literally ordered it at the beginning of this week. It took like maybe 3 days to ship, so that's really nice. But I'm so excited about this. I've heard amazing things about Curology. I am paying for it, so this isn't sponsored or anything, but I'm hoping that it works for me. And so my prescription, my dermatologist lady, whatever, prescribed me 4% azelaic acid, and then 1% clindamycin, and then 4%, whatever that last word is. I've used the middle one before. I used to be prescribed clindamycin, and it used to work really well for me. And so this is Curology. If you don't know what this is, it's like a monthly subscription acne care thing. It's one-step acne, acne treatment. So you use it after you wash your face, and you use it at night, and that's it. And after a few weeks, your skin's supposed to completely clear up. And I have seen a lot of videos on this. I've done a lot of research, and I've asked like people I know in real life, like in my personal life, who've used it and said it's great. So I went ahead and I'm gonna invest in it for a little while and see if it pays off. Okay, so it's March 9th now. I'm in the drive-thru for Breadco. I'm gonna get myself a bagel and some coffee because I feel like I always buy myself lunch, but I never go get breakfast, and I haven't really been eating a lot of good breakfast food lately. So I'm gonna have some bagel and cream cheese, and like I said, I'm gonna get a coffee. I haven't had a coffee like from a place. I guess I had Starbucks last week, and that's a lie. I don't know, I gave up caffeine for like a month or so, and then I'm like drinking coffee again now because I really like it. But now I don't have to rely on having a cup every morning in order to feel okay. So I used to be, I think, a little bit addicted to caffeine because I would stop drinking it and my head would hurt. But I wanted that to not happen to me anymore, so I put my body on like a detox of caffeine, so I just didn't have any caffeine for a month so that my body could kind of, like I said, detox from it, and now I'm not addicted anymore, but I'm probably gonna get myself addicted again because I'm drinking it again. So I'm so smart, I know. Thank you. You're welcome. Alright, it is Friday evening now. It's like 6 o'clock. I just got out of work like not too long ago, and I'm about to go to Target to look to see if they have any wedges. It's kind of random, I know, but I don't have a pair of wedges and I sort of want some. And so I'm going to see if they have any there, and then I'm also going to get some wine and some dessert to bring to Levi's. So instead of wedges, I found shoes that look exactly like the ones I'm wearing, but mine are super worn out, so I'm probably going to get these. I don't know how much they are, and I think they're on sale, so we're going to find out. Alright, I'm back in my car now, about to head to Levi's, but I'm super happy. I got such a great deal on these boots. They didn't have a price tag on them, so I had to take them up to the cash register, and they found out the price for me, and they were only $10. So yeah, you can't beat that. I'm excited about these, and I'm hoping they'll last me a long time like the ones that I wear every day do. I mean, the ones that I'm wearing are really worn out, so that's why I bought these. So we just ate Indian food, and now I'm about to go drop Chrissy off at her friend's house, but what are you doing? She's playing. Oh, did she find you?
Yes, yes, yes.
She's playing this
oh my god, that scared me. It's just a shadow. Oh my god.
She's playing this really creepy game.
She found me! I have to run!
I want to see what happens.
Wait, are you on 10 yet? Are you on 10 yet? Care about you now. Don't give up.
It's a nice stretch to them. We're at Kohl's right now. Levi's trying to buy some khakis for the Sadie Hawkins dance. It's in a week. They're Stuart. I like it. Now you'll have a light purple shirt and you have a light pink shirt. Okay, it is Sunday, March 11th now, and I look crazy, but I've pretty much just been working on stuff for my job all morning, and it is literally snowing so much right now. I can't even get over how beautiful it is. So I'm gonna show you guys. Like, it's so pretty. Hold on. I wish I could show you more clearly. but it's just coming down, and I had no idea it was even supposed to snow. They're big snowflakes. It's really gorgeous. This vlog has probably been pretty unentertaining so far, just because I had a really lazy day yesterday and it was daylight savings, so I just didn't feel like vlogging. I was really tired and I basically laid in bed and worked on stuff all day. So anyways, I'm alive and well now. It's Monday, March 12th, 2018, obviously. Still 2018, Katie. And I'm about to head to Levi's. I got out of work a little bit ago and I'm going over to Levi's for dinner, and then I'm hoping that this is something we're still gonna do tonight, but I think we're going bowling again. We went bowling last Saturday. We went bowling a few weeks ago too, so if we go bowling again tonight, like that's the most I've bowled in 1 year ever, I think, right there. So we're bowling again, like I said we would, but I think we're gonna start doing this like every Monday because it's like really inexpensive, so. Levi, hey, how much was all of this, just for all of us?
20 bucks.
20 bucks for 2 hours. Welcome to Missouri. It's a great place.
Pretty swell. Oh, concentration.
Oh.
He's got it.
It's a very powerful hit.
That was impressive.
All right, best thing about John coming over is that he makes amazing food. Look at these nachos. What's in this, John?
You got your tortillas, you got your pork jack, you got your tortilla cheese, you have the flank steak. Oh, quickly I did. Quickly seared.
I'm just gonna make myself a plate.
The queso fresco. Daisy.
Okay, so it's March 14th now. I'm about to leave here from Levi's. I just got ready and I'm hopefully going to be doing something fun this weekend for St. Patrick's Day. I'm not really sure what my plans are yet, but if everything goes right, I might be hanging out with a bunch of my girlfriends who usually are all away either in Kansas City or at school, at college 3 hours away. So they're all going to be back here this weekend for St. Patrick's Day in St. Louis. Alright, so I am back home now. It is the end of the day on Wednesday, March 14th. Yeah, I just ran some errands. I wanted to do a little haul. I went to Walmart and Ulta. I'm going to show you what I got from Ulta first, obviously, because like that's the most entertaining purchase. But yeah, I'm really excited about what I got from Ulta, so I'm going to show you guys. Alright, the main thing I went to Ulta to look at was the new Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadows. I don't know actually how new these are, but I had no idea they existed. So I got the color Kitten Karma. I love Stila Kitten eyeshadow, and this is their really cool, this is like the coolest thing ever. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. I swatched it in the store and I knew I needed to buy it. It's just a liquid glitter eyeshadow. So the next thing I picked up was just the IT Cosmetics CC cream. I am so pumped about this. I swatched it in the store and can't wait to actually wear it on my face tomorrow probably. I got the color medium. The Walmart haul is gonna be kind of like less entertaining. Goldfish, mini Heath bars, disinfecting wipes because I needed them. This was kind of like one of those Walmart trips that, you know, you go on every like month or two because you run out of things you need. Some hand soap, some odor eliminator spray because I have a litter box in my room. I really need to get a manicure. That's something that's long overdue, but until then, I just picked up some of the Sally Hansen Nail Rehab. I'm going to put this on tonight, wear it, and then I'm going to definitely be going and putting these on before I go out this weekend for St. Patrick's Day. I just wanted to have like some nice fake, I love this brand, it's just the Impress stick-on nails, and I think I forgot to get nail glue, shoot. I don't know, I might just end up painting my nails for the weekend and then I'll stick these on like next week when I get some more nail glue. If you're wondering what kind of tampons I use, I'm sure everyone is dying to know. These are my favorite, I've used these for years, and I think they just rebranded. The box looks a lot different than it used to. It just looks like it's matte now, it's not shiny. Men's razors are sometimes better than women's razors, so I decided to just get this, and it also comes with a replacement head, so that's convenient. This should last me a very long time. Good morning, it's March 15th and I wanted to do a little first impressions in this vlog of my new IT Cosmetics CC cream. It has like a little pump, which is nice. I've watched plenty of reviews on this stuff to know that it's a little bit on the thicker side, which I like. I'm not really into those foundations or products that you put on the back of your hand and they just go everywhere because they're so thin. And I'm going to be using the Sigma F80 brush because I do not think I should blend this out with a makeup sponge, because if I do that, I feel like it's going to soak up a lot of the product, and this product is already supposed to be like, you know, light to medium coverage in the first place, and so I want to get the maximum amount of coverage. So I'm going to go ahead and just start blending this out. Alright, so that's one layer of this CC cream, and I am thoroughly impressed. This was well worth the $38. I had this big zit on my chin right here, and it pretty much covered it all the way up. Yeah, I think this is probably going to be one of my new favorites, especially for the spring and summertime. Now, once again, the downside might be the fact that I get photos taken of me a lot, and I'm afraid there might be like an issue with that, but most of the photos that are taken of me don't have flash. It's all like outside and natural lighting, so maybe I'll be okay. So I'm gonna go to dinner with Casey, and I'm gonna surprise her mom because her mom doesn't know I'm coming with them. So let's go.
Nothing. What's wrong?
I surprised you. I think I'm coming with you guys to dinner, if that's okay. Casey invited me, so I'm excited.
Your hair's so cute.
Thank you. It's like, hi. Hey guys, okay, so it is March 16th now. I don't know. I guess I vlogged last night. Did I vlog last night at all? Yeah, I vlogged a little bit last night. I should have vlogged more, but I got reunited with Casey and her mom, and I got to go to dinner with him, and I completely forgot to vlog at dinner, of course. But anyways, I'm on my way to Levi's house now. We're going to go out to a bar and watch the Mizzou basketball game and eat some food.
I'm not gonna be looking good.
She's gonna be a vlog mom. Yes.
Hey, I am. This is my son.
We're just hanging out. This is Missouri.
Yeah.
This is what we do. It's March the 17th now. It's the morning of St. Patrick's Day. I just got all ready. Carlin's about to be here in like 20 minutes to pick me up, so we're gonna go to Casey's Airbnb first, and we are going to pre-game there and then go to the parade via Uber. All right, St. Patty's Day. We are at this adorable little bear. I almost said Airbnb.
This is Katie's YouTube channel. Say
Hey!
hello.
What's up, guys?
Look, you can see yourself.
What
That
I do?
camera, look at the quality.
Quality.
You can see every hair.
What I do, I guess.
Happy New Year.
So I'm
Merry
on my
Christmas.
line. This is cool.
You're on my YouTube channel. Yeah, I vlog now, so.
What's up, guys?
Except for when
Very
she edits
cool.
all of this footage out.
It'll be like 2 weeks from now.
It'll be fine.
Oh my god, this cat. So the couple left their cat here while we are staying here, while Casey and Larry are staying here. And this is the cat. Hey! Hi, kitty, kitty, meow, meow. Oh, it's a car. So they left their cat here, and her name's Kitty Meow Meow. She's a sweetheart. And so they have this bed. I believe they're a couple, and one of them is a music teacher, and the other one's an art teacher. Hi, get the bed! Alright, so here we are, it's Monday again. On the right side, we're bowling, and it's a Monday. This is gonna be a thing every week, hopefully, as long as this deal.
This is the second week strong, so,
Exactly.
and Levi's about. Oh, there we go. All right, so, there goes Stu. He really didn't get it much.
I got 95 this time.
Yes! Yes!
Oh!
Yes! Oh, duh.
Who loves you?
Yeah, that's my therapist and also my grandma.
Quality grandma and quality night out with your grandma, right?
Yeah,
you know,
it's been a great night out.
family nights are important. Family nights are important. She's slapping people. Thanks, grandma.
Oh, you're welcome, grandson. Almost called you daughter.
That would have been really weird.
With the blonde hair, I could understand.
Congrats, boy. You're a great grandson. Okay, so it's like the 20th now of March, and I am pretty much gonna end the vlog here and start a new one up because I think I've got enough footage for this one. I had a great night last night bowling with Levi and his friends. I basically will be going bowling with them like every Monday for hopefully the next couple of weeks or whatever, because the bowling alley we go to has this really good deal. And I hope you guys all enjoyed watching. Thank you for watching. See you soon.